Patchy weeds need to be controlled at a very early stage. They produce seed. If they produce seed, their patch will increase in size and become more of a problem for future years. So to get on top of that, we need to control those weeds early and make sure that they remain out of the system. First thing first is that the farmers should get their patches tested for what herbicides work or don't work. Basically a resistance testing service is required. Beyond that, then they can ascertain what works or what doesn't work, so therefore they can either use their patch management specifically on those individual weeds, or they can also change their paddock-wide management, and they can still have a huge impact. Now, what they're doing in the past has to suddenly change. You've got choices of chemicals or non-chemical options, but the main thing is there's a whole lot of other tools that are probably still quite effective and useful, that the farmer probably hasn't used or used enough. It's the non-crop parts of the farm are pretty important as well. We've always had a focus solely in the past of mainly looking at the in-paddock management of weeds, and a lot of our problems actually derive from what we have done on the fence lines or non-crop areas. Some of the non-chemical control tactics are hand roguing, very small patches. It's quite possible to do so. Cultivation on a paddock-wide state, or if not a patch management scenario, and also using grazing animals at the right time before the plants have set seed. They're the main ones. Other ones in terms of chemical options include just rotating modes of action of chemistry, pre-emergent herbicides to kill the weeds up front before they emerge, optical spray technology for those that have emerged, and also even patch spraying by hand if need be. What I've noticed with a lot of farmers have got on top of their weeds early. They've stepped up their monitoring regime of their farm, their paddocks. They've checked their spray jobs more regularly. They've gone and made a plan, and if they've seen a patch that has survived, they've gone and done something about it. Weeds are an indicator plant. If you have a patch starting to spread, there's something going wrong with your herbicide choices.